Right, this may be the first time it has moved since 2017, so this is a big moment. I really hope it moves. Hey guys, and welcome back to the third part of the Red Polo series. Today we have been shopping, first of all. So this is for the white Polo, this battery here. We're going to put this on the white Polo and put the battery we've got in the white Polo in the red one, and hopefully that'll make it run better. Second off, we've got this brand new rear number plate because the rear one was absolutely destroyed. So this will make it look even better. Then we've got some wiper blades. Again, we're going to put these on the white Polo and take the white Polo windscreen wipers off of it and put it on the red one. If that makes sense, you'll see what I mean later. And then we've got this rear wiper blade as well. Next, we've got this inline fuel filter because the one on the red Polo is absolutely disgusting. So hopefully that'll make it run better. And finally, we've got this JB weld, which will hopefully seal off the fuel filler, which will stop it leaking, and then hopefully that makes the car run more stable as well. Okay, the first thing on the list we're going to do is the windscreen wipers. So I will record myself doing that and you can see how it's done. Right, so the first thing you want to do is squish this little lever down and push, and they should come off like that. And then push it to left, and then there's your wiper blade. So we're going to be putting this on the red Polo here. So I'll just leave that there, and then I'll do the second wiper blade. Probably leave that up actually. So next, this one, same thing as last time. Push down. Oh, this one's a bit tight. And then should push to the left. This one does not want to come. Ow! There we go. There's your second wiper blade. My finger. So now we'll install the new ones. So to put your new wiper blades on, you just have to push that down there, then push it up till it goes all the way, and there you have your shiny new wiper blades. Oh god. Right, let's see how smooth these things are. So key in, if it wants to turn, there we go, ignition on, and I'll just spray the window. Very smooth, not even a scraping noise like there was last time. Right, for the rear windscreen wiper, it's a bit easier. All you have to do is push it off, pull it to the left, and then it should just come off like that. So I'll install the new one now. And for the rear, simple, just do what you did but the other way around, pull it all the way up till it clicks, and there's your shiny new rear windscreen wiper. Okay, and now let's test the rear windscreen wiper. See how smooth that is? Beautiful, not even a sound. Okay, let's get these windscreen wipers out. Just the wiper arms. Oh, what a mess. These are definitely going to be improved when we switch them. Okay, these are our wipers. Now we've got to refit them and switch the blades. Jesus Christ, what a mess. Right, now we're going to refit these first. So there's one. I'll just attach this really quickly. If I can get the bolt on, there we go. Now tighten it with your 10mm spanner. Just use the other side to make it easier. There. So, like I said before, we're going to be taking these wiper blades and putting them on here because, as you can see, they are very rusty and I do not think they will do much cleaning at all. So, next one, same as before, put it on, put it where it looks like it should be, get your bolt, nut, whatever, and the washer. Screw them on with your hand first, and then you can tighten them with your 10mm spanner. This one's a bit nicer because I can just go in a circle, never mind. Yeah, just get those tight. And now we'll take the wiper blades off, same as before, if these ones are the same, which I don't think they are. Okay, I didn't film putting the new wiper blades on because they were an absolute pain to get off, but as you can see, there they are, shiny new, and these are the old ones. Look at them. I don't think they would have cleaned anything for a million years, but hopefully now these will actually do their job of wiping the windscreen. Right, next thing on the list of things to do is replace the battery. Also, I don't know if I filmed this or not, but we got the bonnet working, so it now shuts properly, as you can see. So now it actually shuts. Like I said, I don't know if I filmed that or not. I kind of forgot. It's been about 2 weeks. But so yeah, we're gonna take this battery off, put it in there, and take our new battery and put it in there, if that makes sense. Okay, so to unscrew the battery, there's just should be 2 nuts on each of these, and then when you unscrew them, the things should just pop off, and then you can lift it out. So after you've done that, you need to unscrew the battery tray holder, which should be somewhere around there, where we're doing it now. And after that's unscrewed, you will find these 2 weird metal pieces of metal. Okay, and after all that, you can lift out your battery. As you can see, this is ours. I don't know when this was made, but it works just fine. So that's why we're putting it in the red one. New battery's in. We've got 3-year warranty on this thing, so if it decides to die, then we should be just fine. So, same as last time, just screw the thing back in to hold the battery down so it doesn't go flying, because you do not want that. Then take off these safety caps and just put them somewhere. Don't know if you'll need them again. Then reattach these. Make sure the red one goes first, and then screw that back in, and reattach the black one, and then do the same, screw that nut back in. There is no way. The radio has just started playing. What the hell? I can't stay in there for long or I'll get done by Sam Fender, but that is quite funny. Taken to that new battery well. Nice one. Oh yeah, and also don't forget to readjust your clock. Depending on how long it took to reinstall it, you might be a few minutes behind. Okay, now we are reinstalling the, well, I'd say old, but it's not really old, but the other battery back into this car. And I am praying that when we reinstall this, the car will run more stably and on its own without getting jump started. Reinstalling the clip things. I don't know what they're called. I'm sure some of you battery experts will know.
Called terminals.
Battery terminals, that's it. Again, just screwing these things so they don't fly off, so you don't lose power while you're doing 70 on a motorway, if these things will do 70. Right, just because we're absolutely petrified about this thing, we have gone ahead and got ourselves a fire extinguisher, because you never know. If it's been sat since 2017, you don't know if it's going to catch on fire or not. So here is our trusty fire extinguisher, just in case that decides to self-combust. Okay, battery's plugged in. Oh, both headlights work now. That's on. That's on. Yeah, they're flashing. They're flashing at me. Rear lights are working as well. This is good. Yep, both brake lights are working too. Even better. Fog light is on. That's great. Brake lights, yeah, brake lights are fine. Reverse. No reverse light.
Indicator?
No indicators. No, none at all. And I don't think they work on the front either. We think the relay is gone. That's why the indicators don't work. Let's see the stereo. Will that work? Well, it's working, so maybe it'll play some audio. I just had an absolute heart attack. This Muppet decided to blast the audio and then it decided to start working, so it was doing this really loud and it literally... I might need to change my trousers. Let's see if this helps. The deafening screech. Oh. Oh. Let's pretend that never happened. So, is it doing anything? Or is it still making that deathly sound? Oh, it's tuning. Maybe we'll get some music. Oh! I'm doing this so I don't get copyrighted. Wow. I can't play that, but the radio does work. I'm trying not to get copyrighted because I got copyrighted on the last one with royalty-free music and it severely impacted my views. Okay, let's test these shiny new wipers. Do they work? No, they don't. So, I'm gonna have to try and fix that. So thinking the reason why the indicators don't work and the wipers don't work is because of some fuse or relay. So hopefully that shouldn't be too hard to fix. So we might get that done in this video as well. I know you probably want to see it run more stable, but got more important things to do. So the first thing we're going to do is replace this crusty dusty fuel filter. Look at the difference in that. Okay, so to take this off, apparently all you need is a flat screwdriver. So make sure you have one of these lying around. They're pretty cheap. I don't know where we got them from. I've completely forgot, but they're very good. Our little cat buddy's back. He's waiting for some food. Okay, the fuel filler has been reattached. Looks much better than the last one, that's for sure. Okay, we're just gonna try, see if it runs stable. Let's go. Oh my god. Bro, that's amazing. Oh my god. Yes. Lovely. The happiness on his face. Right, this may be the first time it has moved since 2017, so this is a big moment. I really hope it moves. Whoa, it's moving. Oh, stalled. There's, oh my god. Yeah, I think so. Just watch the gate. Oh my god, stalled it again, but it does work, and it's moving on its own. Oh my actual god. How? Bro, that's so good. The brakes, yeah, I can tell. The Germans are amazing. You're not. Oh my actual god, I am amazed. I love you. Right, after that short moment of fun, we now have to do the boring stuff again. So we're going to take this glove box off, have a look at the relays, which I believe are under this glove box, and see if we can get the wipers and indicators and anything else that might not be working. So yeah, I'm not going to film me taking the glove box off. All you have to do really is unscrew that, and then it should just pop out. So yeah, I'll be back whenever something interesting happens. Okay, here's your mess of wires. So I think we're looking at those. Oh, sorry, those. See if they're faulty or anything. See if we can get those windscreen wipers working. I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking at, to be honest. Dad does. He is an electrician, so I'll let him do all this. Okay, we've got the new number plate drilled, ready to go in, and this is probably going to be your second favourite part of the video. If it comes off nicely, which it won't. Oh, that's disappointing. But there you are, brand spanking new rear number plate. Right, now we've got to screw these in, which shouldn't be too hard, just a bit awkward. Okay, and just like that, brand new number plate. Look at that. That makes the back look so much better now. Well guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, as usual, like and subscribe and hit the bell to stay notified when we upload the next video of this red Polo. So as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.